Hello friends, this is Technical Experience and I have come up with a new video on DR analysis, that is disturbance recorder analysis of numerical relays. When a DR file is downloaded from a numerical relay, these DR files are generally saved as CFG file and DAT file. So in this video we shall see how to analyze this DR through this CFG or the DAT file. S1 Agile is a software which is prepared by MICOM for communicating with the MICOM relays. But as the DR files are standardized nowadays, DR file of any other relay which is made of any other company can be studied and analyzed through this MICOM S1 Agile. Now let us see how we can analyze or study a DR file or the CFG file which is downloaded from a relay. Before you open a DR file, let me tell you what are the uses of MICOM S1 Agile. This software is used to communicate with the MICOM relays, to download DR files, event files, and also design logics for operation of the relay. For communicating the software with the relays, relay profiles are made in the software, or if there is already an existing system, we can go to the right hand side that open the existing system. Through this we can go inside the existing relay system and download the DR and event files from the relay. That part I am not going to explain too much here, so we shall skip this part. Now we shall see if there is already an existing DR file in your computer, that how we can open that and analyze that. We shall go to the files first. There we shall find the open file tab. From there we get the extension for opening a DR file of P442. We shall have to go to the P40 extension, and there also we shall observe there are so many options. For opening a DR file, we'll have to go to the disturbance recorder extension only, and after clicking that we shall be able to go to the folder where the DR file is kept. So from there we shall select a DR file and we will be able to open that DR file through this MICOM S1 Agile. This way a DR file can be opened through this S1 Agile software. Next thing will be how we analyze or how we study the DR file in the software. After opening the DR file in the software, we will be able to see so many graphs shown, and there are so many digital channels in the below you can see. So with the help of these indications, these graphs, we'll be able to study, or we will be able to say what kind of fault there was which is sensed by the relay. If we start from the left top, then we will be able to see in the left hand side there are pink color graphs or pink color plots. There are 4 pink color plots. First 3 are for voltages, voltage A, B and C, that is for R, Y and B, and the 4th one is for the neutral voltage. So in normal condition, the voltages of all the phases or the 3 phases will be almost same, and the summation of all the phases, that is neutral voltage, will be almost 0. On the right hand side, after the graphs, you will be able to find the values of the voltages and also the angle. So with the help of that, you will be able to see that all the voltages were almost equal before the fault, and below the voltage plots you will be able to see there are blue color plots or graphs which are indicating the currents, the current flowing through the 3 phases, that is R, Y and B, or A, B, C, and the 4th blue color line, it is indicating the neutral current. Below the graphs you will be able to find there are few straight lines which are highlighted as well as unhighlighted lines. These lines indicates the digital channels or the status, which gives us idea of the fault or what has happened during the fault or opening the circuit breaker. Just above these digital channels you will be able to find out the time stampings, when the relay started sensing the fault or when the relay triggered, that time is stamped as 0th time. So if we look at the DR before the 0th time, that is 0 millisecond, and after 0 millisecond, so what are the activities, what has happened in the relay because of the fault, that we will be able to observe in this DR. We will be able to see that during the fault the current has increased as the graph of current has bigger spikes, and in voltage the voltage was reduced during the faulty condition. Similarly, we will be able to observe in the digital channels that there was a command of circuit breaker open. So because of that, after this command, the circuit breaker was opened. When the circuit breaker was opened, immediately the current became 0. That's why the spikes in the current graph has reduced and it has come down to almost 0. At the same time, if you observe the voltage graph, the voltage was reduced during the faulty condition, and when the line was opened by opening the circuit breaker, the voltage of the line was again restored to healthy values. So from this it is understood that the line was opened from this end, and from remote end the line was not opened. Because of that, due to the opening of the circuit breaker, the current became 0, but the voltage was still there in the line. At the same time, if we look at the digital channels, we'll be able to see, or we'll be able to observe what were the other indications which were recorded in the DR during the fault. If we start from the top, we'll be able to find that what was the condition of the breaker. That means when the breaker was opened, then during the fault it was a 3-phase opening or a single phase opening, and what was the zone of the fault, then whether circuit breaker was ready or not. If we see here, there is a wrong indication showing continuously, that is manual close. This indication is wrongly assigned to this relay. There are many more information that we will be able to get from these digital signals of the DR. All the digital channels are not shown here, so to see all the digital channels we will have to go to the view. In view, we will be able to get a tab view all channels. So if we click on that, we will be able to find all the digital channels that will give us the information what has happened during the fault. Going forward, if we scroll the screen towards the right side for around 1000 milliseconds, that is 1 second or more, then we will be able to find that after around 1500 millisecond there was again spike in current waveform. That is, after the relay sensed the fault, it gave a trip command to the circuit breaker and the circuit breaker was opened. Then that time the current in the line was became 0, but after 1500 millisecond again we can observe there is some current in the line. So this current, where it has come from? This is because of auto reclose. So here we can observe after around 1500 millisecond the line was auto reclosed, and because of the auto reclose the line was again closed. From the remote end we earlier said that the line didn't trip, so from this end when the line was closed again current started flowing. That's why the current waveform has come in the DR file after 1500 millisecond. At this time also we will be able to see what are the status, what are the digital signals we are getting during auto reclosing. That also will give us information regarding the status of the line after auto reclosing also.